In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can add a typewriter effect to your text in Adobe After Effects. So first, in your composition, you're going to use the horizontal type tool, which you can access by this icon here, or by pressing Ctrl T on your keyboard. And then you're just given the text you want to use. And then with your selection tool, which you can access here, or just use V on your keyboard, you can select it and then adjust how you want your text to be in the Properties window, which if it isn't visible, you can go to Window and then select Properties. And in the Align window here, which also if it isn't visible, go to Window and choose Align. You can align it to your composition in the middle where you want it to be. And then when everything is like you want to have it, you can go to Effects and Presets, which again, as always, if it isn't visible, go to Window and then choose Effects and Presets. And here you're going to search for Typewriter. As you can see, there's an effect here. You can double click it if you have your text layer selected, or you can drag it on top of your text layer. And now we have done this, as you can see here. The text has disappeared. When you have your text layer selected and you press U on your keyboard, you can see the keyframes which the typewriter effect uses. So if I now press play by pressing my space bar, you can see that the text appears in a typewriter style. You can slow it down or speed it up by moving these keyframes. So to slow it down, you just move the keyframes further apart from each other, and then it slows down. If you want it faster, you just move it closer to each other, and then it appears faster. So that's how you can easily add a typewriter effect to your text layers in Adobe After Effects. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one.